check this thing out, everybody. I had got this in, and I just wanted to kind of do a quick video for y'all and show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. Well, say like you got a stack of batteries. I had these in a drawer, and they just kind of scattered all over the drawer, but what I started doing was putting them in this Ziploc bag. And then I came across one of these cases, so I went ahead and ordered one, and I figured I'd do a quick video for y'all. You know, you see right here, number one, there was tons of little pieces of foam that you have to pull out. So I went ahead and pulled the foam out. You get a pocket up here, and the pocket will kind of break down exactly what these are. And let me just tell you real quick, I'll go over these fast on what batteries it is. It holds 6D batteries, 8C batteries, 8 9-volt batteries, 67 AAA, 75 AAA, 67 AA, 6 CR232s, and then the 1632 6, 16 LR44, it holds 6. It can hold up to 10, and then inside this pocket an additional 10 plus of like AA and then AAA in the that pocket. But check this out, it actually comes with, in this side, a battery tester. So I've been wanting this right here because let's check this out. So you want to go down right there. You see how it works? That one's good. It will say that it's dead. I actually have a dead one in here. Let me show you the 9-volt. So looking at the 9-volt here, let me show you how it looks when it's a dead one. This is a dead one. How do I know that? Because look, I've got a rechargeable 9-volt here. We're good. See that? So that works. So this thing is awesome. It's good to have a battery tester. So right away I know that that's no good. I'm going to throw that one out. And I went through and I tested a lot of these, so I know they're good. So it's really awesome that you actually get a battery tester with this kit. And it kind of goes over the instructions on that, on how you're going to set it up, how you would test it, about like red replace, yellow's low, green is good. So I'm just going to put that card in there with the tester. You see how many batteries I got? Let's turn this into one of these. So let's go ahead and let's throw them all in there now. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, there it is. It's actually crazy how many batteries I thought I had to now seeing them like this. See where all of my AAA are lined up here, my AA are there, and my C and D are here, and then my 9 volts there, and I had 12032 right there. It's actually, I see that I don't have that many batteries. A lot of these are the CR123s. I used to have a camera system that used these. I don't use that anymore, so I actually have no use for these. So I'm going to try to give them away to somebody that needs these, that might have them for a camera or something. I really love this setup. So now I'm actually going to go out and buy some more batteries just to have like a stockpile of these, because a lot of batteries have a 10-year shelf life. Plus, a lot of these are chargeable. I have several rechargeable batteries that I use also, which I'm trying to do rechargeable on everything because they're getting so good now. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the DocSafe. Check it out. Look at that battery case. See y'all in the next video.